Greetings! We have gathered to celebrate 6 noble filmmakers whose devotion to our beloved Command and Conquer would make Mother Russia proud. Start the show! At number 6, a soldier with distinguished motivational tactics, Slaughter.
Time to rock and roll.
As a rule, I have no use for music on the battlefield. However, Slaughter is a true marksman. Well done! And his trigger finger displays a rhythmic tempo that would inspire even the most lead-footed sentry to be on his toes. And move his feet very quickly, if only to avoid being roasted in fireball. At number 5, we have truly impressive use of resources. Chooch! Knowing how to use your credits is critical to success, especially when acquiring combat equipment, like t-shirts, action figures, and a tote bag for mortar shells. But I warn you, comrade, fire is not a toy. Ah, now we recognize valor above and beyond the call of duty. At number 4, Exotic Docking. I have seen many good men display their loyalty on the battlefield. Heroes willing to fall on their swords. But it is a rare soldier indeed who can endure the throes of death with such grace. Rest in peace, comrade. We know a little about mind control, do we not? Well, at number 3, we have Furax and his brilliant use of propaganda. It is a little-known fact that our faithful Yuri invented scrapbooking as a boy. It was but a prelude to effortlessly reaching into your mind to control your being. Now, watch closely and you will feel this clever filmmaker slipping a message into your gray matter. Say it with me now. Kicking butt is good fun. Ah, yes. At number 2, we have Pusabag and Jonvi, distinguished by a story that made me laugh and made me cry. Theirs is an epic tale filled with tragedy, a warrior's righteous fury, and even joy. Yes, dancing on smoldering remains of enemy base. Finally, we reach the summit. Our numero uno filmmaker, recognized for best use of equipment, Jonvi Eckhart. I care nothing for Hollywood and its trickery, unless it is used to smash our enemies. This fan used every trick in the book. We were, how do you say, blown away. Now, usually I would make someone pay for this kind of insolence, but that was one wicked, sweet explosion. Nothing warms the heart quite like nuclear fallout. Well, there you have it. 6 films by 6 true fanatics. I applaud your loyalty.